Hello everyone. So today I will teach you how to use これ、それ、あれ and この、その、あの and ここ、そこ、あそこ and こちら、あちら、そちら Ready for that? It's okay. I'll break it down. Okay, first step. これ、それ、あれ So これ is the simplest one, which is this in English. これ this. So for example, this is my cat. これは私の猫です。これ this. And それあれ they are quite similar, little bit different. それあれ in English, I would say that or it. So それ is you're talking to someone, okay? This is example. Then you want to point something close to the person you are talking with. That is それ。それ。So the person will say, ああ、これ。Because それ thing is in her or his area. Does it make sense? これ is in my area. Or you are even holding it. But それ is in someone's area. Alright? Then, what is あれ? So あれ is the thing quite far from anyone. So could be something imagination as well, because nobody can reach your imagination or someone's imagination, because in their or your head. So あれ is totally farther from anyone. But also それあれ is that in English, but we distinguish それ and あれ。それ is the thing, you can point it but close to the person you are talking to. あれ is totally far from anyone. Alright? So here is the position of これ、それ、あれ. I hope you understand more. Second step. この、その、あの. When we use that. So この、その、あの. Still in English, I would translate this and that. But この、あの、その cannot use as single word. For example, when I say that cat, okay? あの猫. So when you use このそのあの, you need some nouns. So, for example, this pen is この pen. Alright? Because you're explaining about something specific. This pen. I never say これ pen, always この pen. And that cat, その猫 or あの猫 depends how far. And yeah, so このそのあの use with noun. Never use it as single word. But これそれあれ you can't use with noun. They use it single word. Does it make sense? Number 3 is ここ、そこ、あそこ. So this is about place or position. ここ here in English. そこ is there in English. あそこ is over there. So ここ、そこ、あそこ. So getting farther and farther. ここ is here in your area. そこ is a little bit far from you. あそこ is totally far from you. ここ、そこ、あそこ. Step number 4. We have こちら、そちら、あちら. But it's okay. This is not that difficult because meaning is totally same as ここ、そこ、あそこ. Just being polite. こちら、そちら、あちら. こちら here. あちら No, sorry. こちら here. そちら there. あちら over there. Just being polite. same meaning. ここそこあそこ、こちらそちらあちら。Got it? So the most tricky one is このそのI think, because you guys don't have that kind of expression. Anyway, so I hope it helps, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.